Social anthropologist Dr. Herbert Gale says he's worried about the number of children who are choosing a life of crime. He believes the situation requires urgent attention. Dr. Gale raised the issue while speaking at a Kiwanis Club of Function this week. We have details in this report from Anthony Lugg.
As at May 14, the country recorded 534 murders, a 4% increase when compared to the same period last year. Social anthropologist Dr. Herbert Gale warns that the country's current situation could turn catastrophic unless drastic changes are made.
We are yet to have a serious sit-down to create what is called a violence reduction plan. What we've been having is crime plans. Seriously? A violent country needs a crime plan or a violence plan?
The plan, he says, must once and for all address social ills like poverty, poor parenting, lack of education, and unemployment.
A violence audit will see the Safer platform by Paris Leayer and myself working together to give you a map that points out where children are abused, where gunshots are being fired, where everything is happening, which you're going to map on a platform called Safer. And you are going to be able to operate based on nothing but science, no prejudice, not because of my labor right, not because of my comrade, science.
The government has implemented several crime prevention measures which have led to arrests, conviction, and recovery of firearms. However, Dr. Gale argues that successive governments have placed too much focus on suppression rather than tackling the underlying issues.
There's a spike in violence. The government of Jamaica creates a strike force. They have some interesting names: Acid, Kingfish, Tried. Man, such creative names. And they suppress the violence. And then the police officers and JDF who are involved burns out. It needs to be the right mix. It needs to be swift and short, not prolonged, or you lose the traction gained. You can't beat somebody every day. After a while, he becomes adjusted to it. You can't put up Zoso lines every day. After a while, people will park cars beside your Zoso line and put for sale on it, which means they actually see you creating an opportunity for business. It becomes ridiculous.
With growing concerns about the number of school-aged children who've now taken to a life of crime, this warning.
When you are attempting to reduce violence, it needs to work at a three-tier system: the primary, the secondary, and tertiary. It needs legitimacy.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.